Let me introduce the new TDL3. Over the past few years, we've had demands from customers that, for instance, they have small trucks, small vehicles, and for them it's quite cumbersome to equip RF hub in each of the vehicle. And this is why they were asking if we could have still the RF part in warehouses, for instance, storage, where it works really the best. However, for small vehicles or short deliveries, if there would be an option to have still real time, but without the necessity to have a hub. So the whole development started around 2 years ago, and we decided to have a new version of the RF logger. So still having the same RF technology, same way it works as TDL2, but adding instead of NFC, Bluetooth technology. So we decided to introduce a way of using Bluetooth that doesn't need pairing, because this is, according to us, one of the main hurdles to use Bluetooth logger, especially for deliveries, or if you put in boxes where the box constantly changes from one vehicle to the other. And this is why we developed a version that does not need pairing, and that is also very fast and scalable. You can have hundreds of loggers that can communicate simultaneously with one phone. And the good thing also from our technology is that it works from the lower version of Bluetooth from 4.1 upwards to the latest version. Let's say with obstacles and things, I think it's better to count around 20 meters, 15 to 20. This is what we tested in when it's inside boxes and together with some obstacles on the way. So the way it works otherwise is you get the data on the Bluetooth app. We already worked on making it used in background mode. However, recent Android versions do limit this function. So this is one thing to keep in mind. But the idea is to really have the app running in background, getting the data via Bluetooth and sending it to the cloud so that the driver just needs his phone or PDA in the truck or the small vehicle, and all the data will be transmitted in real time. And also with Bluetooth, the only, let's say, limitation compared to maybe other Bluetooth loggers, because we don't need pairing, we also limited in the number of data we can send in one transmission, because pairing is mostly used to get the whole history, for instance, which we will not have. The idea is that the history will be mostly transmitted via RF, so 4x40 measurements. Bluetooth will give you the current data, but also the last 6 measurements. You will have 1 hour of data every 10 minutes. You will still have a short history, but the idea is if there was lack of data or phone in proximity for 2 hours, then when the truck goes back to the warehouse where there's the hub, then it will upload and download the whole history of the last 24 hours.